do live performance poetry, but being a bigoted git, I'm going to pick up that when I went to school. Intelligence, or is it true? It's a good memory. It's no good to you. Because when you go through life and what you see, you remember the people who comes to thee. But when you got a bad memory like me, I can forgive him in all honesty. It's because I forget. It's not true. I don't forget. I know the cunts and so do you. Anyway, you really said she's into the classics. There's never been another poet like me, and I don't think there ever will be. But as a real poet, I've got to say, on radio and telly, they won't have me on, by the way. I wouldn't swear on radio it's true, but I'm not on radio, so fuck the middle classes. That's what I say to them on TV, I do. The BBC, I pay their TV, I pay my licence, I don't like it in all honesty. I got away with it for 20 years, it's true. Never paid a penny. Well, I once got a black and white licence in, about 87, but what can you do? Life can be shit, you know what they say. I was only a 20-year-old in shit things, by the way. A bloke knocked on the door with a suit, it's true. He said, I'm from the TV licence. I was in my TA army uniform, what could I do? Bullshit, that's what I say. I looked him straight in the eyes and I did say, my middle brother, little Brian, is good and true. He's got his telly licence, you can see I'm in army uniform. I'm just on leave, he didn't have a clue. Because real army men weren't allowed to travel in army uniform, it's true. And the human being didn't have a clue. But then I done a mistake, what can I say? 20-year-old, I told my girlfriend straight away. She made me buy a licence, literally. So I've got a black and white one, just in case, you know what I say today. Totally on the records for the humans who are thick as shit and work for the BBC who are full of it. But I'm not impressed with the BBC, they haven't got any real poet, they don't like me. The man in charge, what can I say? He's a middle class wanker and he got away with it, by the way. He put on his website, literally, and at first I thought it was impressive in all honesty. He put it for the world to see. He said, I'm not a poet, I'm just a chancer. But it's okay, he's middle class, see. So that's the difference between a real poet and a cunt, it's true. A cunt can get away with it, a poet can't do. I might be classic, what can I say? But I'll only be classic when I'm dead, so I'm not going away. I'm going to hang around this shit world, it's true, and piss people off as only a poet can do, and say what I think literally. But if I'm on TV, I swear, I will not swear in front of thee. I won't swear a lot, it's true. Well, you can't, though I need children watching too. If my child swear, what would I say? That's ignorance. Learn intellectual words, it'll be okay. Anyway, I am a talented poet, and I'm not shy about saying it, but I am weird and I don't give it. Well, I did have one 2 years ago, but she left me. After 10 minutes extra mature adult fun, she said to me, I want a relationship. No sense of humour, some women. I said, truthfully, I want world peace. Anyway, she wasn't happy with that, so as I opened the door for her with a cycle, I've done a lovely poem on life cycle. And to be honest, lad, she wasn't that good at you know what, so you're right. The extra 10 minutes didn't make a difference. For a year and a half later, I seen her outside house, and she said to me, she finally spoke to me after a year and a half. Very forgiving, I thought of her, being a Christian and all that crap. And I used to be a bit of a Christian, to be honest, but I'm alright now. And she says to me, how are you doing? I says, oh, well, a bit shit, really. I said, life's going a bit crap. She went, oh, well, God understands. I said, well, can you tell him to pull his fucking finger out, because I think he's doing a shit job. The world's in crap and everybody knows it. She went, you can't say that. I said, well, if I ever make the kids, I want words with them. And being a poet, there'll be a lot. I'm not going to hold a grudge. Of course I am. If there's a God, I think he's an alien, and he won't come this planet because he'll be alienated. Because I know we're all prejudiced. But all I'd say to him is quite politely, grab what you can and fuck off. Anyway, would anybody like a poem on anything literally, academic or otherwise? But that was for her, by the way, not for you, sir, but you can still have an academic if you want.
We have one about the word literally.
Literally is a word I say a lot, it's true. Literally means I'm telling the truth to you, because as a real poet I've got to say, literally means I don't give a shit anyway. I'm not in the classics, I know it's true, she's a lovely woman, good for you, but as a poet I've got to say, there was never a classic poet even in the past day. Byron and Shakespeare, literally. Well, Shakespeare's a playwright now on the street. And Byron was shit, what can I say? I wonder as long as a cloud. He was suffering depression, by the way. Did he know where the pub was? He was in the F&A district. Even I know where the pubs are in the Lake district. And the chip shops. Anyway, life can be funny, life can be true, life can be whatever you want it to. But as a poet, I've got to say, I can't get on telly, because I tried the other night, by the way. I was a bit pissed, literally, and I tried to sit on me fucking TV. I couldn't believe it, what can I say? I started to think I was feeling a bit gay. The telly was so slim, you know, it's true. It was up my ass, I really hate, but what could you do? So I saw it all a bit modded, I think it's true. In 1978, the tellies were big enough to sit on, but what could you do? Anyway, I'll never get on telly again apparently, but that's fine. But anyway, look on the bright side, I hated Britain's Got Talent. And I got told I'm a talented, amazing bloke and all that crap. And he meant it. And then Mr. Simon Cowell said, I can't stand poets' poetry and people who change song lyrics. So as I was laid there with my depression, I thought, oh fuck. I knew I wasn't on Britain's Got Talent again.
Do a rap.
A rap?
Yeah.
I want to be a rapper, you know what they say, but I don't come from the USA. I can't jig it, I'm not black, it's true. I can't do rap, I haven't a clue. The last time I was doing rap, I was on a nice straight bloke and I was a bit drunk. Apparently it had chicken in allegedly. I wouldn't do DNA tests when you're drunk. Well, I was homeless in Cambridge when I first found out I was a poet. I was in the day shelter and the nice Caribbean and black lady says to me, Brian, why don't you eat here? So we stood behind the counter, watched the homeless coming, you know, the junkies and the alcoholics. I was apprentice alcoholic. Well, you got it there somewhere. And I thought intellectual place, you know, Cambridge, best place to be apprentice alcoholic. So I'm there and I says, just watch the lads behind the counter. She went, I've been telling her, she went, I don't see what you're saying. I said, have you seen one of them bloody human pieces of shit wash their hands? She went, no. I said, that's why I don't eat here. If I want to get a telly belly, I'll go to India. And why would I want to go to India? Honey, it's nice out there if you're a millionaire. You can watch people starving every day. Just to make you feel good about your shit life. Anyway, if wisdom is wise and wisdom is true, how come we haven't got a clue? But as a poet, I've got to try to make you laugh before I die. But when I'm dead, they do say I'll be worth a fortune. I don't wonder why I can't get on telly. Anyway, I am on YouTube, if you're tired of blind enough, bro. But I am polite on YouTube, but this is going on anyway because you're enjoying yourself, so for it. Anyway, would anybody like a poem on anything?
Talking gallows, the modern world.
Oh. The modern world hasn't got a clue, because if I had trouble with ISIS, you know what I'd do? I'd bomb the silly motherfuckers literally, as we go into the fucking city. Even the innocent people too. I'd take the lot of them. I wouldn't give a fucking neither should you. But all about an inch and what can I say? Let them fuck off to the gun and go straight away. I'd have a drone and that's what I'd do. I wouldn't risk another decent human man's intelligent man too. I'd just bomb them motherfuckers, that's what I say. As they go along the road, it wouldn't be okay. He's only got a donkey, what can I say? He might have weapons hidden away. Let's blow him up anyway. They say they want to go in the fucking water. Let them go straight away. I never think they're gonna just acting like it's true. But I don't think there is. They're gonna fuck off too. I think they're full of shit, literally. But that's my opinion of ISIS in all honesty. But they won't like it, you know what they say. They won't like this on YouTube, by the way. But I'll get plenty of views, it's true. I might get shot, I don't give a fucking neither should you. So I would basically, I'd bomb them on the way. I'd just tell the soldiers to retreat and just bomb any fucker on the road. There's 60 miles either way desert, it's not rocket science. Some cunt comes along in a beer, have him. Comes along in a mini, have him. Comes along with a donkey, definitely have him. I mean, he ain't ISIS, he's thick as shit. They say you shouldn't judge, you should never do, but I judge, I really don't give a fuck, but what can you do? I don't judge and I cannot say. I think the world's full of shit and it's not okay. But we live in the Western world, it's true. We live in the UK, I'm glad of it too. I hate the place, literally. But it's better than living with ISIS in all honesty. I don't think I'd last long in their country, would I? They call it the fat twat. Why don't they call it fat twat? You know what I mean? Instead of a fat twat, it sounds like Mardi Gras. Or something really posh. Why can't they just call it a fat twat? I always want to kill it, it's the fat twat. Anyway, I like women, but I'm not very good with them, as you know. Women can be kind, women can be true. The only problem, it takes two. But as a folk, I've got to say, I like intelligent women who like it every day. But I do know when to tell a good woman, I do call them sister-in-laws, I've got two women. Hey, talk for you, man. But ladies, just to impress you, I am a Chippendale. Alright, I'm a chip. Anyway, thanks for having a good time, and thanks for being here, all the best, and go to YouTube, type in Brian Loughry, and you'll see us in about 3 days. Anyway.